What's up, MVP riders? Welcome to the video. I got a haul. It's 3 boxes. 1 box just came today, and these other boxes been here for a little minute, and I just hadn't got time to get to them. But we're gonna do that today because I need to put this stuff up. I think I'm waiting on 2 more boxes. I think I'm not 100% sure, but we're gonna get to it. But the first sale was the 12. I can't remember if the candles was 12. They was probably 15. No, the $12.95 candles, because I used the coupon and I got these candles for $9.71. So that wasn't bad at all. I'm gonna have to be careful because one of them is broke, which is this one. This is the Sweet Red Mango. It is broken. The candle is broke. Ooh. As you see, I can't see, but yes, this whole little piece could come out. So yeah, I already called. The replacement should be here probably tomorrow. So yeah, I got that one. Free with rewards, I grabbed let's see, fresh water with the men's collection, fresh water, and I grabbed another copper coconut sands. Love this. My favorite candle so far with all these new candle releases. Love this candle. But the other 3 wick candles I got on the $12.95, I decided to grab another sprinkle, what is it called? Sprinkle birthday cake, because I really like this candle. I feel like it's basic. It's something that you could blend with other candles, so I really like it. Vintage, because I like this candle and I got a feeling once it's sold out it will not come back. So I decided to go ahead and grab a few just so I can have, and I don't have to be running and trying to look for them. So I think I'm good. I think I got a total of 3, so I think I'm fine with that. Rainforest Gardena. Now this one, I don't really like this one. I'm gonna have to burn this one. The reason why I got it is because I don't own this candle, and that was my main reason for getting this one. I used to love Gardenias, but I don't know, for some reason I'm starting to grow out of love with them. And then I grabbed another sweet red mango. Grabbed 2 of these in this whole order, but 1 came broken. So okay, the next sale was the $5.95 single wick candles, and y'all know I already told y'all what I was gonna get, but I did have rewards. So I did grab the copper coconut sand fine fragrance mist. I think I used a couple of rewards with this order as well. Let's see, I only did 1 reward, and that was for one of the coconut copper sand candles. Okay, decided to grab butterfly, even though y'all know I did grab this in the store already, but I did order, I think I ordered 2. Yeah, I ordered 2 butterfly. So I feel like I'm kind of good on that. Again, this is body care. These body care candles, once they're gone, they're gone. So make sure that you get whatever it is that you want, because from what I've noticed, all of the body care stuff, when it's gone, the stores never ever restock them. I played myself on Fairy Tale. I think I got maybe 1 or 2, and I love Fairy Tale. It's so nice. Okay, the next $9.95 candle, $5.95 candle is this Honeysuckle Peach Spritz. Grab 1 of those. Ice Lemon Pound Cake. Love this candle. It's so nice. I really like it. I think I grabbed 2. Yeah. And here's another one. The copper coconut sand. So yeah. So that was my single wick haul. All the candles I got from that. I got a total of 6 candles from that sale one being free. And then the last order, which just came in today. Now, y'all know when I seen that this item was coming, your girl was super duper happy. Love it. Love it, love it, love it. When I seen the Bumblebee wallflower plug-ins was coming, I had to have it. And I did use 2 rewards because I grabbed 2. Oh, I was so happy. Y'all know anytime they have anything Bumblebee, your girl gonna grab it. So yeah, I got that free with rewards. Super duper happy. Like I said, this was the soap sale. I wanted to grab these soaps on the last soap sale, but I think I had changed my mind. But if y'all didn't know, today, the day that I'm recording the video, they do have a soap sale going on. But I'm not gonna order anything. I'm good. I really wanted to get these because I already know the soaps that I got, they're already sold out in my store, in my area. We don't have them nowhere. So I didn't have a choice but to get them online. And once they're sold out, I know these are not coming back. But Glacier Lagoon, got these 2. Got 2 of them. And most definitely had to get more of this smoked caramel bourbon. Ooh wee, ooh wee. This is so good. Absolutely love it. And I should have ordered more because I know this ain't coming back. So, but we feel like that about everything. Anything Bath and Body Works put out, we always say it might not come back, you know. But these type of scents, I know probably ain't coming back. Citrus and Vanderveer. Citrus and Vanderveer. Yes, yes, yes. Terracotta Canyon. Terracotta Canyon. Yes, yes, yes. Had to. So basically that's my haul, y'all. That's everything I got. Those are all 3 of the boxes that I got. I got one more box supposed to come, I believe. And I think it's candles. I think I got some more candles coming. Okay, y'all. This is a couple of days later. I can't even remember when I recorded the first part of this video. But this is a couple of days later and my other box came. So I just decided to just add this with this video instead of making a whole new video. So let's get into this box really quick. Okay, y'all. Here go the box. It's not big at all. This was the $6.50. This was the Aromatherapy sale. That's what this was. And this is just some of the stuff that I got. I think I used a coupon. This was the Aromatherapy sale along with the candle sale. So I did grab a couple of items. Oh, and the free candle also. So they was doing a free candle, Aromatherapy sale, as well as the candle sale to $15.95. And I know y'all can't see me, but here I am. But I just wanted to get this video done so I could go ahead and add it to the other portion of this video, and I could go ahead and upload it because I am most definitely behind on my videos. So I told y'all in the other video that I was going to buy a backup of the Aromatherapy, this Kakai plus Rose, or Kakai and what is it? Kakai Rose. I absolutely love this. This is so good to me. Oh yeah, this is the lotion for the Kakai Rose. So I actually got the whole collection. I forgot. I thought I got the whole collection to the other one. But yeah, so this is the backup. Love it. And I grabbed the lavender mint tea. Lavender plus mint plus tea. Grab that one. This is very, you do get the lavender, you do get that tea, and of course the mint. Yes, so it's spot on with the scent, but I don't know about that tea part. So I'm gonna have to try this to actually see if I really like it. Butterfly candle, which is this one. So that's the reason why I say I'm kind of cool on butterfly, because I think I got like 3 of these. So yeah, I decided to grab another butterfly candle. Looks like it's pretty good. I actually really like this candle. I like this way better than the body care. This is super nice. And then they was offering the free candle, which is morning, fresh spring morning. Love the packaging. Packaging is so cute. So this was free with any order, with any purchase. So I grabbed it. It's nice. Scent notes is morning dew, aloe blossom, and orange flower. I really do smell that aloe. Maybe I'll burn this right now. I think I'm gonna like this right now. So yeah, that was basically everything that I got with this order. So I guess we'll switch back to the closing, because I'm just going to insert this little part into that other video. So all right, y'all, let's switch back to the other video. I got a replacement order coming, and that's really it. So leave in the comments, let me know, have you been buying a lot like I have? Most of this stuff is backups of things that I just had to have. You know, so yeah, leave in the comments, let me know if are you still shopping or what are you doing. That's all I got, y'all. Those are 3 boxes. I'm done. I could put this stuff up finally because it's been sitting. So leave me some comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms, as well as use my hashtag, use or follow my hashtag, and I'll see y'all in the next video. All right, peace.